Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to read books about stock market investing? If so, this video is for you. Today we share with you great books to read to invest in stock market. Let's dive in. Book number 1. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This book gives you great investing tips to have in mind when you start to invest in stock market. When analyzing stocks, take your emotions out of it. Provides yourself with a margin of safety and buy stocks that are clearly underpriced in the market that are from financially sound businesses. Book number 2. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, by John C. Bogle. Another great classic to have on investing. Minimize your investment expenses, know that the majority of your money is best invested in safe, low-cost index funds and recognize that in the long run, business reality trumps market expectations. Book number 3. One Up on Wall Street, by Peter Lynch. Great investor shares his stock market wisdom to you. In this book, he explains why amateur investors actually have an advantage when playing the stock market because they don't have the same rules and regulations as professionals, and they can take risks with stocks that haven't proved their profitability yet. Book number 4. How to Make Money in Stocks, by William O'Neill. Explains how to choose, buy, and sell stocks to maximize their investments and make more money. You'll learn skills that'll help you win in the stock market game, including what patterns to look for when reading stock charts, how to identify profitable companies to buy into, and when exactly the right time is to cut your losses and sell. Book number 5. Warren Buffett's Ground Rules, by Jeremy Miller. This book dives into the pearls of wisdom Buffett has shared over the years through letters to partners of the fund he managed for 14 years. Tips from the book. Invest in what you know, never compromise on business quality and know the difference between price and value. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other stock market investing books to read? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our book's recommendations and tips. Click on this video to see Warren Buffett books recommendations. See you.